Welcome to Gratian Automotive Solutions, a family business established for over 35 years in Doncaster. We stock 50 to 60 used cars from all the major manufacturers, and all our stock is offered with a choice of affordable peace of mind warranty packages. Your finance can be arranged within the hour. All our cars are price checked every week on AUTOTRADER, are ready to drive away the same day, and can be reserved with just a £300 deposit over the phone. This deposit is fully refundable. If, upon viewing your new car, you're unhappy in any way, please visit our website at gascars.co.uk to see our fantastic customer reviews. Rated 5 stars by AutoTrader and 9.7 out of 10 on independent review website Trustpilot. So call us today on 01302 888 346 and talk to one of our friendly staff. We're open 7 days a week and here to help make buying your next car a pleasure.